How to fix a problem on Find My iPhone is not working. If it's essential to use Find My iPhone, you are in all probability already in a irritating scenario: your iPhone is misplaced or stolen. That scenario will get worse if Discover My iPhone is not working. Discover My iPhone is a terrific instrument for finding misplaced or stolen iPhones and iPod Touches. By combining the built-in GPS on these gadgets with the net providers offered by iCloud, Discover My iPhone helps you find your gadgets on a map. Even higher, in case your iPhone has been stolen, Discover My iPhone enables you to lock them to maintain your data away from prying eyes. You possibly can even remotely delete all the info out of your telephone. But when Discover My iPhone is not working and you may monitor down your machine, attempt these tricks to repair it. You'll have seen that there's a Discover My iPhone app within the App Store. You possibly can obtain it if you need, but it surely has nothing to do with whether or not your machine is findable or not. The app provides you a way to track lost devices from any machine the place the app is put in. It may be helpful in the event you're on the transfer and utilizing a pal's telephone to seek out your misplaced machine, however, having it's not required for Discover My iPhone to work. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.